of the world. Scarlet macaw. It is one of the largest parrot species in the world. It lives in rainforest of Central and South America. It is a highly intelligent bird which recognizes color and shape. It can live up to 40 to 50 years in wild and 75 years in captivity if taken care properly. Its very loud voice and average weight up to 1 kilogram. Eclectus. These parrots can only found in Papua New Guinea. Male and female have different colors. Male is in green color and female has red and purple feathers. It lives up to 30 years and it is a smart talking bird, which weighs up to 400 to 450 grams. Hyacinth macaw. It is one of the largest species found in rainforest of southern Brazil. It lengths up to 40 inch. It has a black beak and dark blue in color. Sun conure. It is a bright yellow with orange feathers. Both male and female looks exactly the same. Average size of the bird is 12 inch. Weights between 100 to 130 grams. And has a lifespan of 25 to 30 years. African grey. It is a native of Congo region in Africa. It is a very talkative bird. Can remember up to 1,000 words. It weighs around 415 to 530 grams. It can live up to 40 to 60 years. Sulphur-crested cockatoo. It is a very distinctive-looking parrot, found in South Asia and Australia. It is one of the popular pet all over the world. It has a long span of life of 70 years in the wild, and 100 to 120 years in captivity. Lovebirds. These are good as pets in many households. These species can live up to 15 to 20 years. It is a small bird and measures up to 5 to 7.5 inch, and weighs up to 40 to 70 grams. Cockatails. It is home of the good companion to humans. These parrots can live up to 16 to 25 years in wild and live between 32 to 36 years in captivity. They are not too talkative but can mimic and start whistling when hears the music. These weighs up to 70 to 120 grams. Budgies. They are too small and measures up to 35 to 37 grams. And live up to 5 to 10 years. Baby budgie can start flying at the age of 4 weeks. So, I hope you like